From Chicago, 400 kilometers away, here comes a BMW 7 Series. The owner said he was going too fast on the way over the speed bump. The car laid down. The owner consulted the 4S shop. It is said that there is an air shock absorption leak. In this case, it can only be replaced. $180,000. Fortunately, I swiped the video of our repair and shock absorption. Know that we can repair with high quality. Leave a message below the video and come over. I've seen this, so you might as well click a little red heart. Support the craftsman. How much do you think we should charge for such maintenance? Discuss in the comment area.